So let's get into this.
Ain't no cap, infatuated by the height of your mind. Got me rearranging features that you lack when you smile. Must protect at all costs, even if she ain't mine. Black women top tier, so she melanin fine. Ain't no cap, infatuated by the height of your mind.
Hey y'all, it's your girl, Downy Blessed. You already know. By the title of this video, you know what's going on. We got a wig tutorial, a wig review / tutorial, maybe not tutorial, but it's a review for sure, okay? We're gonna be reviewing the wig from, let's see, beautyforeverhair.com. So I bought this wig with my own money, but they asked me to do a review. They also sent me a couple extra goodies, which I was not expecting because I wanted this wig really freaking bad. It's for my birthday, because I'm not gonna get another wig until then, maybe. Yeah, and I'm going down to Santa Cruz today, so please do not expect any bleaching, probably not a lot of plucking and things like that. Yeah, and you probably won't get to see the wig. I'll try to insert a clip later on of the wig after it's been washed and everything, but yes, I'm gonna wash my wig. Y'all don't do me. I know we're just gonna do a straight out the pack review, and I'll come back on here too and review how the wig was after like a week or two of wear. I got this wig right here from Beauty Forever, and it is the 6x4.7 pre-cut lace wig, and it's Kinky Curly, and it's Key's 20-inch wig. So it also came pre-plucked as well, I'm pretty sure. It did look pre-plucked on her. So I got the 28-inch, and altogether it was, well, without shipping, $166.74. So 74 cents, $166, okay? Anyways, so I'm gonna get to reviewing the wig for you guys. I already kind of saw my goodies in here, but I want to share with you guys everything that they gave me, and I was very surprised by a lot of this stuff, and I have one thing that I'm very super surprised by. They gave me a goodie bag, and it came with stuff that I really needed. Okay, I have tons of these, but a crochet hook, which you know you can't never not need. Okay, it came with this little brush. I'm gonna use this as a nail brush, probably not a makeup one, but I think this is pretty cool, like a little travel size brush or whatever, you know. Eyelashes. I love when wig companies give me eyelashes. They gave me 2 wig caps, which are very much needed. I have an elastic band that they gave me as well. Thank you too, because I really needed an elastic band. I didn't feel like buying one. And lastly, they gave me a robe. Oh, it's so bright. I'm so sorry, y'all. My thing is so bright. But yeah, there we go. So this is the robe that they gave me. It's a silk robe. I'm actually gonna open this now because why not? I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Oh, it covers my butt. Now, I have not touched this wig. I have not felt the hairs because we're all doing this together. So like I said, this is a 20-inch wig. Okay, they let me know that the hair has been disinfected on the bag. It says right here, hair disinfected. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So this is the curl pattern of the wig so far. These are the roots at the top, and you can actually tell like it does look pre-plucked. Like, I don't know how it's gonna look once it's actually on my forehead, but it looks so far like it's gonna be able to blend in. And I don't know if I'm gonna need to bleach knots. We're gonna see. Either way, I'm probably gonna come back home and bleach these knots. It has a very small parting space, which kind of concerns me, but it's okay. It's pre-cut, so I don't have to do anything to it at all, which it makes me a little less nervous. It comes with, so the 6x4 parting space or whatever, and then it also has 2 combs on the sides, and it has a comb at the bottom and a elastic band. Oh, and look, so with the elastic band, I thought it was a regular elastic band. Turns out it also has an adjustable strap, and you can remove the elastic band. So if you're not a person who likes the elastic band, maybe it's too tight for you, you can remove it. So I don't know if you guys can see very well, but I very much like the way that this wig is already pre-plucked. And I'll try to actually insert a better view of how the hair actually looks. And let me start by going like that. So if I bring it all the way down on my forehead, it's gonna look a hot mess. So I'm gonna bring it back just a little bit. I'm probably just gonna do, yeah, about to like right there, and then maybe I can pull out a little bit of my edges if I didn't pin my hair off completely down, but yeah. So you're gonna need 3 things: Ebin spray, and then I'm using this, what is this called? Melting spray, it's the red one. And then I'm also going to use the Ebin. I feel like I just got everything Ebin today, but I tried to get the Nairobi. I just didn't want to pay no $19 for the Nairobi, okay? So I got this instead for $9.99, and this is Ebin's Curl and Twist Foaming Lotion Wrap and Shine. So I'm about to try this. It says 10 times hold for the lace. I don't believe that, but we're about to see, okay? So I definitely would say this is a very beginner friendly first, because y'all see I just easily took out my edges, and then I got some hair on this side out to easily blend and stuff, and it's nothing this little part you can't fix right here, and that's just using Got To Be glue, because I find that Got To Be glue doesn't bother my hair as much as the Ebin does. I'm going to just lay it down. I'm going to come back in and put some makeup on, but I'm going to lay it down first. Now, I feel like everybody does their wigs like differently. Some people do it in order. Some people may do the makeup first and then lay it down. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So, yeah. Hey y'all, it's voiceover Donnie. Here I'm showing you guys that you guys can see the net a little bit. I did want to cut it and just say that was one of the issues I did find myself having, was that when the wind blew, you could see my cap and the weft a little bit, but it does get better. Just wait for my next review. Now I would say also that it is true to length. It's about 20 inches. I'm like 5'9", so I'd say yeah, if it went below it'd be 24 inches, because 24 inches is like right at my side right here. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go in with my Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner, and I really like this leave-in conditioner. It's cool for your natural hair too. I just feel like it dries out my natural hair, you know, like I need a little bit more moisture. Look at that. Oh yeah. I think I like that mousse. I think I like that mousse, y'all. That is so pretty. Y'all, I just want to get into the curls. So let's get into this. So hey y'all, as you guys can see, I am done with this beautiful freaking wig. When I tell y'all I'm in love with this wig, okay, only because it was really easy to do. I guess also the products that I used were really easy to work with, such as this foam too, when it came to clumping the curls together and getting them to be curly. It definitely does mimic natural hair, definitely not my natural hair. This is why I like this, because it doesn't go ear to ear. This part was really easy to blend. I know you guys saw how I did that, and that's just using a small makeup brush and some black eyeshadow. And then I also went in with my contour powder that you guys saw me, I think, mess up at the beginning with. I probably didn't put that in there, but I messed up at the beginning, okay? So shout out to this wig company. I don't know what's going on with my lighting. There we go. This is how it looks without the, now it's bleached and close up, so you can kind of see where the lace stops and where mine is. I don't know what else to tell y'all. I like this wig. I'm gonna give y'all a little 360. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial and my review on this wig. I'll also come back after my trip or during my trip just to tell you guys if I had any problems or it just wasn't my favorite or something like that. But I honestly believe that this is going to be my favorite wig because I had to do no freaking plucking. And my camera is literally showing everything. My camera is not one of those cameras that just makes the, well, I can actually put that on to make the lace blend in, you know, the little skin perfection thing. But no, I'm bringing it to y'all straight. It's still gonna look like lace, especially in the camera, but in person you genuinely cannot tell. So if y'all can see from far away, this is my hair. What are you talking about? Wind blowing? This is my hair. So I hope you guys like my tutorial, my review. beautyforeverhair.com. I'm fucking with y'all hair so far. I'll see y'all in another video.